What's up, guys? Hey, I had a stupid idea. Uh, I don't know why. I thought I would record it. Uh, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It looks impossible, but what I'm gonna be doing is trying to do this. Wait, let me do it. Sorry, my internet's a very bad notification right now. Where is it? An airline. And I'm gonna be landing at Boeing 747. I don't know why. On an air carrier. I'm not sure if it's possible, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna pick this if I don't get copyrighted. So yeah. I don't know what to say anymore. Yeah. Well, I guess that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I'll just go off right here. The best pilot. Hire me today. Trust me. I can take you anywhere. With my Boeing 747, I can also land it on an air carrier. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I'm not sure. But I want to do the impossible like all the other people. So yeah. Where's the air carrier? Is it over there? Where is it? Where is it? Oh wait, the map. Where am I is the real question. I know I'm in this middle area. I can't see it because I'm on mobile. But, well, you can see it. But the middle area in the map, that's where I am. The question is, what red dot am I? I think I know. I think I'm that one. Where's the air carrier? Where is the air carrier? I can't find it. Like, where would it be? Is it, where is it? Where the crap is the air carrier? You guys, comment down below if I'm stupid, because I can't find this thing. Will I ever find it? Well, will I find, where is it? Am I just blind or do I not see it on the map? Because I swear I don't. What is it called? Origin. Where the heck is the air carrier? Where is it? Should I just type in chat? Maybe someone will answer. Where's the air carrier? Or, I don't know what it's called. The airship. I forget. I feel like I'm just stupid and I'm like blind as crap. It's like very small. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. This video might be a fail because I can't find the stupid air carrier. Oh, that must be how. Wait, what if I go like toward this? Because it looks like it's like bringing a lot more like close. So maybe I'll just find it over here. Bro, where is it? It's getting boring. This video's gonna be too long. People are gonna hate me for it. Will I find this thing? Or will I not? I'm starting to get very bad feelings about this. Where even am I? Well, I'm right next to Origin. Oh, that must be me right there. Okay. Where the heck is this thing, bro? I'm about to call this a fail video. Because it's impossible. What is it? What is the air carrier called? This is not called anything. Because usually things are called things, and I can't find it. And I'm starting to get very impatient. And I have no idea what that noise was, but trust me, you're gonna love it, okay? That was probably the best. Don't mind him. Please, don't mind him. Don't. That was so weird, bro. Okay, this video is gonna be weird. I don't understand why he did that. That crap. Where the heck is it? Bro, I'm getting bored. I can't find the stupid air carrier. You know, I might cut some of the parts out of this video because I can't find anything. Bro. I remember having an
Daddy.
Don't mind him. What the heck? This video is weird. I know a lot of the older people are gonna know what that means. Usually my content is not really for people who are 18 and up, but that right there is not family friendly. Oh, there it is. Let's go. I just see it right there. Let's go. I thought I was gonna have to make this video a fail video. Finally, it's not on the map. I don't understand why. Okay, shut up now. Okay, don't mind him. Yeah, get out of here. Oh my god. He is weird. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I think I'm a little weird too, but can't blame it all on him. But that was, especially on video, that's a little weird, my friend. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get a long landing. This might go right or it might go wrong. I'm only trying once because I gotta end this video like very soon because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Oh, am I gonna make it? I'm just praying I'm actually good at life and I can do it. For now, I doubt I'm good at life, so let's just move it there. Yeah, well, throttle's at 25. I'm gonna start stalling. Oh, he's back in the room, you guys. That stupid vacuum. Let me close the door to this room. Dude. Sorry about this weird stuff. I'm not gay, trust me. I'm a kid. I'm not gay. Oh, it was a helicopter.
Me neither.
He's gonna what? Oh yeah, he isn't either.
Mom's super sus.
Well, that's okay. Here goes nothing, you guys. Okay. What in the world?
Oh well, you lost, so I guess the video ends now.
No! The video ends. Bye.